Hello everyone! Welcome to another video. I asked AI to create professional photo of me wearing hijab, and the result is speechless. BetterPic.io is a photo enhancement tool that uses AI to improve the quality of images, remove backgrounds, and adjust various attributes. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to use BetterPic.io effectively. Here's step-by-step guide. Discovered. BetterPic AI, an amazing AI portrait generator that produces stunning, professional-looking photos, customized to your likeness. Wide range of styles to choose from. Breathtaking, high-quality artistic results. Give it a try and transform your photos. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to BetterPic.io. You'll see a clean interface with options for different image enhancement tools. Open an account via BetterPic.io. Select details like name, ethnicity, use cases, eye color. Select styles, background, clothing color. Step 2. Click on the Upload button, usually located in the middle or top of the homepage. You can drag and drop an image or click to browse files on your device. Choose your enhancement. Background removal, image upscaling, face enhancement, color and lighting adjustments, retouching and filtering. Upload 8 selfies or casual photos. And here is the AI magic. BetterPic generated so many professional AI headshots from my 8 casual photos. Here's the result I got. No need to hire expensive photographers. Create 4K professional AI headshots from selfies and casual photos using BetterPic today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.